Hey guys, so I just wanted to start off this video by giving you all an explanation, basically a disclaimer. The beginning of this video is going to start off a little bit differently than past videos, just simply because I had files that were corrupted from a previous video that I really wanted to film. It was a recreating Instagram makeup video, and I chose to do a look based off of the Detective Pikachu movie, and yeah, the files got corrupted. I had to unfortunately delete the entire video. I managed to salvage the very end, so I'm going to play that right now for you guys, and then it will be the regular video for the rest of it. So I just unclipped that from there, and then it looks like this. Whoa. Let's see if I can do that again. Then it looks like this. And these are actually two lashes in one. Then I put one on top and then one on the bottom, and they literally just click together. But before I do that, just to make it more simple and easier for me, because I'm super lazy and it's like a little bit time consuming, and no, not only because of that, it just makes the whole process so much easier and you're less stressed. I actually put on mascara right before I put them on my natural lashes. I put mascara, and that just helps, you know, like keep them from sliding off. So it's just really nice. I don't know why, but in my vlogs from Phoenix, I look so awful in the bathroom when I get ready. I feel like it's the lighting over there compared to here, or maybe it's the angle that I was like filming at, because I didn't have a tripod. I literally just put it on top of one of those round mirrors. So maybe it was that, maybe it was the lighting. It could have been a whole lot of things, but I'm just glad that we're back here in this setup. So yeah, I don't know why, but I have such a hard time with like looking up and having something right here. I also have the same problem with people like putting stuff near my eyes. It's kind of like that one episode of Friends where like everyone is making fun of Rachel in the coffee house because she can't put anything near her eyes.
Hey Rach, you know that great song, Me, Myself, and
This is the first time I think this is the first time I'm putting on my magnetic lashes on camera, because so many people ask me, and then some people need a special tool, but I've never used the tool to do this. Now that right there does not look like fire, that looks like a freaking pineapple on my face. It could be SpongeBob's house, this one. This one could be a fireball too, but just SpongeBob's house on fire. So that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Good morning, everyone. As you can tell from the title of this video, it is my brother's graduation day, and I'm going to be filming a Get Ready With Me. I have my dress right here. It is like, it's really pretty dark blue with blue roses on it. And I actually wore this when I was in high school. So 4 years ago. Wow, it's been 4 years and my brother's graduating. This feels so weird. I'm probably gonna get very emotional today. I'm filming this intro and a lot of this video on my iPhone simply because my actual camera is out in his truck because he was taking photos of our cousin yesterday at his graduation. So let's just get into the Get Ready With Me. So the first thing I'm gonna do is wash my face. And I love to use Lush products. So I'm using the Angels on Bare Skin. I'm gonna be using the Aroma Toner and the Sympathy for the Skin Lotion because it smells like bananas. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you guys, it is 6 a.m. His graduation is at 8. So wish me luck. Now, I have to say the only bad thing about filming on my phone is that I can't get on my phone for anything else. So, thanks, Xavier, but I'm giving you a break because it's your graduation day. Can't believe I'm literally this tall. Normally, I have to squat down to be in the frame. That's just great. So, I'm going to be going in to the Optical Illusion for the primer. So I'm going to be taking my Farah brush in 50F and going into the Fenty Beauty banana powder. Yeah, going into the Fenty Beauty banana powder. And honestly, I want to say the only time that I really use eyeshadow now is in my official like videos and everything. I don't use eyeshadow on a daily basis anymore, but I just feel so old right now. My brother's graduating from high school and he's going to college. This is just a weird feeling. I've never had this feeling before in my entire life. It's not a bad feeling, but it's not my most ideal feeling. Let's just put it that way. So we're gonna go into contouring now. So I just like to contour my nose with this tiny brush from Crown Brushes. Honestly, I cannot wait for his graduation party to come and just be over with, and that'll be next Thursday, because there's been so much planning, so much work put into it, and I know he doesn't want to deal with any of that, Xavier, but it's gonna be really fun. I already know he's gonna enjoy himself at his party, because there's gonna be like these little carnival rides, which is something that he always liked as a kid. And he was actually oh wait, I didn't even tell you guys what I used to contour. I used the Too Faced chocolate. I don't know, I'm just kind of, it's this weird feeling I just have in the pit of my stomach. I mean, my cousin graduated yesterday and I didn't have this feeling, but I think it's because Xavier's my brother and he's honestly one of my best friends. I will, 100% admit it. Oh yeah, okay, so I'm gonna update you guys on something. I finally found someone to go with me to see Machine Gun Kelly. I am so excited. I really like Machine Gun Kelly. He's very cute and everything, and I like his music. So my coworker Brittany and I are going. It's gonna be June 22nd, and we're gonna have to drive up to Denver. I know he was in Bird Box, but I haven't seen Bird Box because okay, so I'm afraid it won't live up to the hype that it's at, the status that it's at, because so many people love it and then so many people don't like it. So I just don't want to be in that category of not liking it, you know what I mean? And he was in The Dirt, and I love The Dirt on Netflix. It is so good. It's so funny. It's so rock and roll, honestly. I hope I'm still on schedule. I'm gonna put my dress on and everything, and then after I put my dress on, I'll catch back up with you guys and we'll do our lips and our magnetic eyelashes and all that good stuff, and yeah, we'll see where it goes from there. Okay, so I don't really like the way I look right now, but we're just gonna have to roll with it. I put on this jean vest, not even a jacket, just to look a little bit more casual. And this is what the dress looks like. I have no idea if that even looks good. I will like share photos with you if I can, if I even feel like it. But yeah, I just don't feel, I'm not feeling it, honestly. I'm gonna be putting on my lashes and we'll just do whatever.
Eight 8:01 p.m.
What was your day?
Hey guys, so I have changed. Clearly it is so many hours later, and this lady
No, don't put me in it. Crazy.
we are currently at the drive-in and we are watching Aladdin. We are waiting on Xavier, and yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog right here and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
TV?